Encountering a SIM1 not provisioned error on your Rogers device, particularly common on Android phones, means your phone isn't recognizing the SIM card needed to connect to the Rogers network. This often happens after SIM swaps, updates, or network issues. To immediately address this, first ensure your SIM is properly activated by using the Rogers app, calling 611, or visiting the Rogers website. Then power off your device and use a SIM eject tool or a straightened paperclip to carefully remove and reinsert the SIM card. Finally, reboot your phone by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. These 3 steps, activate, reinsert, and reboot, resolve the majority of cases. If issues persist in rural areas, this may occur more frequently because of weak 5G coverage, so Rogers may provide free SIM replacements until December 2025. If the basic steps don't work, ensure your APN settings are set to Rogers Core in your phone's network settings. The rise of eSIMs, or embedded SIMs, is reducing physical SIM errors. Rogers aims for full eSIM compatibility by 2027, potentially phasing out these issues entirely. For international travel, Rogers offers a travel mode app feature to prevent SIM misprovisioning by global partners. If you suspect a firmware update is the cause, check for patches from Rogers that auto-resolve common issues. Expert opinions suggest 80% of SIM not provisioned errors are user-resolvable with these advanced steps. However, cybersecurity experts warn against tampering with SIMs due to potential SIM swapping attacks. Always verify changes directly with Rogers. The future involves AI-driven diagnostics within the Rogers app and potentially SIM-free authentication with 6G, minimizing SIM-related issues entirely.